Hey guys, and welcome. It's Dr. Noah. Listen, it may not feel like spring, but it is spring. And when our bodies start warming up and the weather changes and our physiology starts changing, it's a perfect time to detoxify. But you have to detoxify safely. So what are we doing? Dr. Mike and I, this coming Wednesday, 6:30 to 7:30, are having a lecture at the office, a presentation, a workshop to discuss a spring detoxification program. We love to use a product from Standard Process that allows you to safely detoxify. Now, why do you want to detoxify? Well, a lot of us have cravings that we may not love. A lot of us have achy joints. A lot of us may have acne or fatigue or poor sleep or just cannot get rid of those few stubborn pounds. And that's what we're going to discuss on Wednesday. We hope to see you there. A quick hour, empowering hour, time for questions, to give you a safe, effective, and extremely reasonably priced detoxification program for 10 days. So looking forward to seeing you. Again, it'll be Wednesday, 6:30 to 7:30 at our office, 120 LaFonte Way, of course. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know, and see you all there. Bye.